All right, so this question says when Zoe and Triston work together, they can finish a certain job in 7 hours. When Zoe and Weston work together, they can finish the same job in 5 hours. If Weston is 3 times as fast as Triston, how long would it take Zoe to finish the job all by herself? Right, so to do this question, I'm going to make the important sentences different colors so you can differentiate them. Zoe and Triston's sentence will be red. The one with Zoe and Weston will be blue. And we'll take this sentence up to the comma and make it yellow. There. Now to do this question, we see that Zoe and Triston can finish the certain job in 7 hours, and Zoe and Weston can finish it in 5 hours. So to do this, I'm going to make a 5 by 7 table. So we can split it into fifths and sevenths. There. Right, so to do this problem, we need to figure out how much of the job Zoe and Triston can do in 1 hour. As we can see, they can finish the certain job, this whole table, in 7 hours. So in 1 hour, it would make sense for them to be only able to finish 1/7 of the job, 1/7 being this column. Right. And we'll write Zoe and Triston can finish 1/7 of the job in 1 hour. Right, so now the blue sentence says, when Zoe and Weston work together, they can finish the same job, the same table, in 5 hours all by themselves. So that means in 1 hour, they would get done 1/5 of the job, 1/5 being a row. And we'll write Zoe and Weston can finish 1/5 of the job in 1 hour. There we go. And of course, since we're going in order, we need to do the yellow sentence next. Now to work on the yellow sentence, which says, if Weston is 3 times as fast as Triston. So we know Weston will be 3 times as fast as Triston. And this information will help us get our answer of how long it'll take Zoe to finish the whole job all by herself. So what we're going to do is we're going to take their 2 rates and lay them out horizontally. As we can see here, Zoe and Triston do 1 column per hour, 1 column being 5 cells. And as we can see, Zoe and Weston do 1/5 of the job of 1 row in 1 hour. And this would be 7 cells. And we'll leave that out as well. Right, and of course the yellow sentence says is if Weston is 3 times as fast as Triston. So we know whatever Zoe does, Weston will be 3 times as fast as Triston. So if Zoe were to do 4 cells, that means she would be consistent in the 2 scenarios. So she would do 4 cells in both. This allows Weston to do 3 cells per hour and Triston to do 1 cell per hour. Now, as we can see, if Zoe were to do 4 cells per hour, Weston would be able to do 3 cells per hour, and Triston being able to do 1 cell per hour, which makes Weston 3 times as fast as Triston. So So now we know Zoe does 4 cells per hour. So we have the green shaded section representing Zoe's 4 cells per hour. So now we'll just see how long it'll take Zoe to finish the whole job. So far we have 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, and 8 hours. Now we can see that this unshaded portion, in fact, is not 4 cells. And of course we know Zoe does 4 cells per hour. So we know this will not be a full hour for Zoe. So if Zoe does 4 cells per hour, 1 cell should take 1/4 of the time, 1/4 of an hour being 15 minutes. So we know this 1 cell should take 15 minutes. So since there are 3 cells right here, 15 times 3 is 45. So it would take her 45 minutes to finish 3 cells right here. So we'll write it will take Zoe 8 hours we got and 45 minutes to finish the job all by herself. And there,